Blizzard dries off. Blizzard's upside down. They're able to produce sparks on the titanium shell of Ziggy though. Ziggy trying to flip it just a little too late.
I really would like to get that front of the lifting wedge with the face.
There. Beautiful white titanium sparks are being used every time it's spraying. Ziggy flipping it. I don't know what he just flipped up there. And Ziggy puts Blizzard right side up again. That's just the first minute in the fight. We still have 2 minutes left. You see the small solar piece in the front of Blizzard there. That's designed to help get the Ziggy on top of it. More sparks to use. Both robots looking for position to use their weapons. There's Blizzard underneath Son of Ziggy. Pushing Son of Ziggy into the wall now. Son of Ziggy's arm is stuck in the upright position.
Really bad.
Blizzard escapes, and now it looks like the arm. Oh, Ziggy's stuck on his head. And now Blizzard has free reign to attack Ziggy from all sides. You see the wedge of Son of Ziggy torn up, knocking the arm out of position. And Son of Ziggy is tapped out. The winner!